welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. In today's video, we are going to be taking a look back at a throwback video. Guys, we are in the midst of a winter storm, and if you're like me, you're in the path of that winter storm. So I have been hunkering down in my home, just waiting it out, and so I have not been able to film like I wanted to because it's been dark and gloomy. So I thought, you know what, this is a perfect time. Let's take a look back at how I refreshed my laundry room. So when we first moved into our home, it's basic builder grade laundry room. There was no cabinets. It was just a painted room with those metal wire shelves. We did not like those, so we took those out. We tiled the area. It was our first time tiling, and we had cabinets. Well, actually, I purchased cabinets from Lowe's, and I had my boyfriend put those together and hang those for me. And then I decided to get this butcher block countertop to have a surface prep area from when we were doing laundry. In addition to the butcher block top, we also decided to get new laundry. We got a front load laundry pair from Samsung in a black color. It might even be platinum, but you guys know I love black and white, and I wanted to have that black and white aesthetic in our laundry room, but also warm it up just a little bit with the wood butcher block countertop. So we added new laundry, we added new cabinets, we tiled the backsplash, and now we've added the butcher block countertop. So slowly but steadily, we have added new things to improve the look, appearance, and function of our laundry room. So that is where we are going to pick up this video today. So in addition to making our laundry room look and feel aesthetically pleasing, I also wanted the same look and feel for my detergents and my fabric softener. So I went to Amazon and I ordered these plastic containers. They look so nice. They are similar to the look of a milk carton, but I think they just feel so luxe to me. So we are going to decant our fabric softener and our laundry detergent into these cartons to just, up the vibe of the presence, I guess you would say, of doing laundry. I'm romanticizing doing the laundry, as they say. we have the laundry and the fabric softener decanted, we're going to move on to adding these stickers to some jars that I also picked up from Amazon. Again, I'm trying to make my laundry room look and feel luxury and expensive. So I got these jars from Amazon, and I got these dispenser bottles also from Amazon. So we're going to take the stickers and we are going to put them on the bottles. And then we're also going to decant our spray and wash, our bleach, and our, oh gosh, the starches that you use to iron your clothes. We're going to decant all of those as well to give those everyday items a luxurious look and feel. Centered as much as we can. And there we go. Nice, neat, simple, and pretty. So let's do the other ones. Not sure what I want to put in the other bottles. Let's see. I want to do, okay, so this is our laundry labels. So I think I'm going to use this laundry pre-treat on one of these bottles, because we do pre-treat stains. There's that one. We need a linen spray. There's that one. And what else? Maybe we'll just have one of these be, here we go, stain remover. And there we go. And here are our laundry bottles, all nice, neat, and pretty, and the perfect aesthetic for our laundry room. Now let's go fill them up. Alright, so we have our stain remover, our linen spray, and our pre-treatment. So now we're going to fill up these bottles. Now that that's done, we are going to turn our attention into organizing the cabinet. So I have these clear canisters at the top. I'm not really using them, so I'm going to take those out. I'm going to take everything out of the cabinets, and we're going to reorganize the cabinets to give them a nice new look and feel. There is nothing better than walking into your laundry room. It's nice and clean. You have everything organized, all neat and orderly on the shelves. It just looks so much nicer. So here I've done a little bit of organization, but we are still going to take those pieces out at the top. So now that is finished, we are going to accessorize. So I added this oversized laundry sign that I picked up from Kirkland's. It has sort of a farmhouse style, but I like the look of it. It was oversized and it would fit perfectly in the space. I added some greenery and this canister that we picked up from the Target dollar spot. So let's take a look back at where we started. We had a top load washer and dryer. We had those metal shelves. We added some cabinets above, we tiled, we changed out the laundry room sign, we got a new front load washer and dryer pair, a new light, and yeah, we made some really budget friendly changes. So now the reveal. So this is how the laundry room turned out, and I absolutely love it. I still have a few things to do. I need to finish painting the door black. All of our doors are painted black in our home except for the ones upstairs. So that is a project for this year. I'm also going to change out the hardware. We changed out the knobs downstairs. We're going to change out the knobs up here as well. I want to change the artwork again in here. It's a little bit farmhousey. Some of it I like, some of it I don't. But I hope you enjoyed today's video and it has inspired you in your home decorating. If so, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStyle family. I have lots of budget-friendly, budget luxury, home decorating inspiration coming your way that you don't want to miss. And with that, my friends, I hope to see you in the next one.